I've now reached the McCormick stand where they sell these gtritchie little mini loaders and different things. So I've actually had a film shoot possibly a couple of years ago before COVID, and it's very windy around here. I think the tractors are probably a different shape, different colour. I'll see what they are in a moment. So this looks like a, not very sure what it is, topper machine. So I know Kenny very well, that worked for Tim Hurst. Certainly a different colour, I think, a bit brighter. It's McCormick X5.110. So log splitter here, I believe. I'm not very sure what these things are. Probably for lifting wood, I would have thought. I filmed quite a few McCormicks when I'm out and about in the area. Seem to be pretty popular. Here we have an Abbey diet feeder. One of the bigger tractors there, next 7.624. Lovely colour there. And we have a Malone mower. I'll see what the back end's like here in this tractor. It's quite a machine, big wheels, lots of things for plugging in all your different machinery at the back here. I do believe they're made in the same factory as the Landini. They're blue, these ones are lovely red colour.